Look closely at the creature waiting on this web. We are investigating whether these eight-legged animals are better understood as creepy monsters or if they are in fact highly engineered biological superheroes. To begin the investigation, we need to classify them correctly. Spiders are not insects. They belong to a class of arthropods called arachnids. Arachnids are defined by having 8 legs and bodies divided into 2 main sections. You can confirm this identity by checking the hardware. Insects have 6 legs, while our spider has 8. Furthermore, spiders completely lack the antennae found on nearly all insects. Establishing this unique arachnid identity is our first step. It reveals an evolutionary path that equips them with a very specific set of biological tools. This dorsal blueprint reveals 2 primary sections, the fused cephalothorax, label 3, and the abdomen, label 4. At the front, label 14 marks the chelicerae, ending in venom-injecting fangs. On the ventral view, labels 21 and 22 highlight the spinnerets that extrude silk. 2 fused body segments, venom-injecting fangs, and silk-spinning appendages create one of the most specialized biological machines on Earth. That anatomy works in almost any environment. Taxonomists have recorded over 53,000 distinct species, which have established populations on every single continent except Antarctica. These species survive as active predators, meaning they hunt and kill other animals for food. Their primary prey consists of insects and other small arthropods. Because their guts are too narrow to process solid food, they use a unique digestive process. They flood their catch with digestive enzymes to turn the tissues into a liquid soup, which they then suck into their gut. Their ability to adapt to almost any climate while maintaining this efficient liquid diet makes them essential for controlling global insect populations. To capture prey, spiders rely on silk pulled from up to 6 types of glands inside the abdomen. By mixing different proteins, they can create threads with exact properties for specific tasks. Some spiders weave the classic spiral orb web, creating a geometric trap. Others produce tangled cobwebs, which are actually more common and diverse than the circular versions. The resulting material is lighter and more elastic than many synthetic materials, yet it possesses a tensile strength that rivals high-grade steel. This image shows the visual system of a jumping spider. Active hunters like these rely on acute vision from their large main ocelli and sense tiny vibrations to track prey without using a web. These strategies involve more than just instinct. Some hunters, like those in the genus Portia, use trial and error to learn how to overcome new prey species. This capacity for learning and tactical variation proves they are adaptable survivalists. Fear of spiders often stems from their venomous bites. However, only a tiny minority of species possess venom that is dangerous to humans, as most venom is chemically tailored specifically for small insects. Their life cycle begins with eggs that hatch into spiderlings. Spiderlings are baby spiders that emerge fully formed but small, molting their rigid outer skins several times as they grow into adults. Some species exhibit complex maternal behaviors. A mother wolf spider carries her entire brood of spiderlings on her back, hauling them across the ground to protect them from predators until they are ready to survive on their own. Studying these life cycles and the efforts they make to protect their young provides a different perspective on their role in the natural world. Our final evidence includes some remarkable physical feats. Jumping spiders do not use muscles to extend their legs. Instead, they launch themselves by suddenly increasing the hydraulic blood pressure in their limbs to snap them straight. While most spiders live only a year or 2, this Goliath bird eater represents a group that can survive for over 20 years. We have gathered our scientific vocabulary for this investigation: arachnid, predator, prey, silk, and fang. You have seen the anatomy, the hunting strategies, and the evidence of their learning capabilities. Use this data to decide for yourself: are spiders scary or cool? Science provides the facts to replace fear with fascination. These highly intelligent and physically capable animals are vital members of our global ecosystem.